Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will delve into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 63.32%. This equates to an average loss of 3.72% each day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $2.47 is breached, it will signal a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -23.96% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -100% to 943.72%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -27.43%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 12,559.55% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $0 and $184.83. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, moving between $1.38 and $1.64. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 5.19% on the last day, Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, from $1.54 to $1.46. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 18.84%, with a day low of $1.38 and a day high of $1.64. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a drop of 39.92% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a good sign since volume should generally follow the stock price. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 14 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares bought and sold for approximately $55.43 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.71%, or $508.14, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $14,298.54, below the all-time high on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated has made significant strides recently, as detailed in various announcements. On the 27th of May, the company reported its exploration of optimizing quantum error correction algorithms to improve the accuracy of quantum algorithms. This innovation could have profound implications for the sector, potentially positioning MicroAlgo as a leader in the quantum computing field and positively influencing its stock price in both the short and long term. Earlier in May, the launch of their quantum information recursive optimization algorithm further exemplifies the company's commitment to tackling combinatorial optimization challenges. Additionally, developments in quantum convolutional neural network architecture suggest enhanced capability in traditional computer vision tasks, reflecting MicroAlgo's technological advancements. Furthermore, a strong financial performance was reported for the year 2024, with net income of 53.4 million renminbi, and a significant turnaround from prior losses. This profitability, driven by robust demand for their central processing algorithm services, indicates a strong business foundation that can support future innovation and expansion. These advancements in quantum technology and solid financials not only enhance investor confidence, but also position MLGO to tap into the growing demand for quantum solutions. The integration of cutting-edge technologies like quantum image encryption and boosted optimization algorithms could attract new partnerships and customers, driving sustained interest in the stock. In summary, MicroAlgo's recent progress and financial turnaround are likely to positively affect its stock price in the near-distant future. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a strong buy. Regarding the return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term outlook. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for its performance. Furthermore, a general sell signal is present, indicated by the relationship where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $1.60 and $6.25. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of nearly 94%. Continued downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 41 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 254 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 32 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. A relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.34 and $1.27. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased. A drop below the support at $1.27 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 260 cents between its high and low, or 18.84%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 35.81%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $1.54. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $1.34. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a very wide and declining trend, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 333 0.1 of a dollar and begin trading at $1.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.